Cultural perspectives play a significant role in shaping the understanding and practice of positive psychology, particularly in how different cultures perceive and pursue happiness. Culture influences what people consider to be happiness, how they choose to achieve it, and how they measure their well-being. This cultural variability highlights the need for a more nuanced approach to positive psychology that considers these diverse perspectives. Cultural differences in conceptions of happiness. Individualistic versus collectivistic cultures. Individualistic cultures, e.g., United States, Canada, Western European countries. In these cultures, happiness is often conceptualized as an individual pursuit. People tend to define happiness in terms of personal achievement and fulfillment, focusing on personal emotions and life satisfaction. The emphasis is on personal autonomy and self-expression. Collectivistic cultures, e.g., Japan, China, many African and Latin American countries. Here, happiness is more commonly seen as a collective experience that is deeply intertwined with the well-being of one's family and community. Happiness might be achieved through harmony, social cohesion, and fulfilling one's duties within the group. Influence of cultural values on happiness. Different cultural values can lead to different strategies for achieving happiness. Materialism versus spirituality. Some cultures may place a higher value on material wealth and possessions as a source of happiness, while others might emphasize spiritual or relational richness. High versus low power distance. In cultures with high power distance, respecting and not questioning authority could contribute to happiness by creating a stable social environment. In contrast, cultures with low power distance might find happiness in equality and the empowerment of individual voices. Uncertainty avoidance. Cultures that have high uncertainty avoidance might associate happiness with security and predictability, while cultures more comfortable with uncertainty may link happiness with adventure and spontaneity. Research on cultural perspectives in positive psychology. Researchers like Jean Tsai have examined how East Asians and Westerners may differ in their ideal affect, the emotions they desire to feel. Tsai found that while Westerners typically prefer high arousal positive states, e.g., excitement, East Asians often value low arousal positive states, e.g., calmness. These preferences reflect broader cultural themes, such as the Western emphasis on personal achievement versus the Eastern focus on social harmony. Cultural practices and positive psychology interventions. When applying positive psychology interventions across different cultures, it's crucial to adapt these practices to fit local cultural norms and values. For example, gratitude. While gratitude interventions might involve expressing thanks openly in some cultures, in others, gratitude might be shown through indirect means or acts of service. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices need to be presented in ways that align with local religious or philosophical beliefs. For instance, mindfulness might be more readily accepted in cultures that traditionally practice meditation as part of their religious or cultural activities. Strengths. Use. The identification and use of personal strengths must consider what each culture values as strengths. For instance, assertiveness might be valued in some Western cultures, while humility may be considered a strength in many Eastern cultures. Conclusion. Understanding how culture influences conceptions of happiness is vital for the effective practice and global applicability of positive psychology. By recognizing and respecting these diverse cultural perspectives, practitioners can develop more culturally sensitive interventions that promote well-being in a way that is meaningful and effective within different cultural contexts. This approach not only broadens the scope of positive psychology, but also enhances its relevance and impact globally. As you continue to explore and grow with this course, we'd like to gently remind you about something very important. Have you shared your thoughts on our course yet? If not, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is invaluable to us. It's the compass that guides us in improving and tailoring our content to better suit your learning needs. Rating this course doesn't just help us. It also assists your fellow students in navigating their learning journey. By sharing your experience, you're lighting a path for others to follow, helping them make informed decisions about their education. It's quick and easy, just a few clicks right here, but the impact of your words will resonate far and wide. Think about it.
Your insight today could be the beacon for someone's learning journey tomorrow. So if you haven't yet, please take a moment to leave a review. Let us know what you loved and what you'd like to see more of. Your voice is integral to our community of learners. Happy learning, and we're eagerly waiting to hear from you.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.